Hey YouTube, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. Today I'm going to show you all how to make smoked turkey legs in the oven. We're going to cook these until they are tender, pretty much falling off the bone. So if you want to see how I make them, keep watching. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my butter rubbed onto my smoked turkey legs here. And the butter that I'm going to be using is this butter right here. I found myself using this a lot, guys, just really trying to stay from using a lot of butter. So if you want to use regular butter for this, you can, but that's what I'm going to be using to go on my smoked turkey legs. And in my bowl here, I have some of that, about one stick, a half a cup. So I'm gonna go in to this with some of my complete seasoning, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what complete seasoning is. And then I'm going in with some Italian seasoning, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna add on my smoked turkey legs, because you guys already know these are they have a flavor of their own rather, so I'm not gonna add too much more to it. So I'm going in now with some of my Italian seasoning, which is what I just got in there. Here, and we're gonna get this mashed up and then rub it down, rub our smoked turkey legs down rather. And you guys can see I got two really nice sized turkey legs here. That one right there, I don't know where that thing came from or whatever, but when I saw it and for the price that I got it, I was like, wow. I did get it at Pick and Save, for those of you that may be wondering where I got it from. It's a grocery store here called Pick and Save, and that's where I got it. I'm getting my butter here all mixed up. And then we're just going to rub it down. And if you have some left, guys, this compound butter will be great to just go ahead and keep in the freezer for another use. So, yeah. Okay. So now is the dirty part, guys. We're going to take our leg and we're going to take some butter. And my hands are clean before y'all start. And we're just going to go ahead and just rub our turkey legs down with this compound butter. Get that seasoning all over. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here. Oh my God, this looked like one of those turkey legs that they have at the state fair, or when you go to the Taste of Chicago, and they have these big gigantic turkey legs that people just walk around eating. Huge. So we're gonna go ahead and just rub that down. Okay guys, so what I did, I took 2 sheets of my aluminum foil, because I'm using the sheets. I don't know where my roll of aluminum foil is, but the sheets will work just as good. So we're going to take one of our smoked turkey legs, and we're going to go ahead and just wrap this up. And just kind of make sure you fold in the ends. And I do have my pan here, to where nothing leaks out while our smoked turkey legs are cooking. So you want to go ahead and just wrap it up pretty much like that. And then we're going to sit it right in here. And then I'm going to take my next one here and do it the same way. And we're going to get our big one on here. I want to make sure I have enough room to fold this bad baby up. So this thing is huge. Yep, I'm going to need another one to go on top. Give me another sheet right there, please. Thank you. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of cover that up like that. And then fold this up right here. And close that up. And then fold the top pretty much just like this. So we're going to go ahead and get this one in here as well. And I'm going to put it the opposite way, just like that there. So we're going to go ahead and get this into the oven, and we're gonna bake these for a total of 4 hours, okay? I'm not gonna say anywhere from 3.5 to 4 hours, okay? And when you see that that meat is tender and falling off the bones, that's when you know it's done. I have my oven also set to 350, so we're gonna go ahead and get these into the oven. Okay guys, so here are my turkey legs here. I had them in the oven cooking. They were like 3.5, almost 4. I wouldn't even say 4 hours completely. I wouldn't even say 3.5. I want to say somewhere in between that I had these turkey legs cooking. And guys, if you can smell my house right now, oh my God, it smelled as if I was cooking a ham. But all I did was cook these 2 turkey legs. That's it. The smoked turkey legs at that. And also you want to be careful when cutting this open. It is releasing a lot of steam and you don't want to burn yourself. But do you guys see how perfect this turned out? Oh my God, these turned out. And this is another way, guys, if you want to keep all that flavor in your turkey legs as opposing to boiling them with your greens, you know, like that way that I showed you guys before when I made my greens and I boiled the turkey legs and all of that. If you want to keep that added flavor in your smoked turkey legs, just go ahead and bake them, rub them down just like what I showed you guys right here. Do you see how tender they are? Not only can you take this out of the oven and shred it up like this and add it to your greens, but it is going to give your greens so much flavor. I've done it many, many times, and I'm going to keep on doing it, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can bake smoked turkey legs. You don't always have to boil them like what a majority of people do. They go ahead and they boil their turkey legs. But if you want to keep that flavor in your turkey legs, guys, go ahead and bake them. And look at that. That right there. This one turkey leg right here will feed me and my 2 kids. We will get this thing, have a lot of meat on it, guys. You have to give this a try. I'm sorry if I'm getting tongue-tied here, but you guys have to give this a try. Just look at that. And here it is here, guys. You can see that meat just pretty much all fell off of the bone. I cooked this for a total of 3.5 hours. And look at that. You guys can see the meat is nice and tender. See that there? Nice and tender. You guys have not tried baked smoked turkey? Not the regular turkey legs that's not smoked. The ones that are smoked, guys, they are so good. You have to give them a try. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.